So, good afternoon, students. As I told you yesterday, I introduced you that it was an invention by a scientist who prepared something that took the age to a minus number. Such a chemical was invented by him, Mr. Willy Wonka. He prepared such a chemical, such an invention that made the people younger, younger, younger. Then the name of that medicine was Wonka Vitae. What was the name of the medicine?
Wonka White.
Wonka White.
All the names are very strange in this lesson. Vitae. So, this Wonka
Fancy
Vitae
name.
was invented by him and it made the people younger. Being too strong, he made the people disappear and their age became minus number. इतनी एज कम कर दी कि वो एज माइनस नंबर में चली गई एंड दे हैड टू वेट फॉर मेनी इयर्स टू टेक बर्थ अगेन ओके देन Mr. Willy Wonka starts to research for the new medicine by asking himself two questions. What is the oldest living thing in the world? And the second question is, what lives longer than anything else? These were the two major questions he asked to himself. Okay. So let's begin with the explanation of the lesson. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka Vitae, which makes people younger. But Wonka Vitae is too strong. So some people disappear, as I just told you, because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Okay. Now the explanation starts. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Once again, I squeezed my brain, searching for the new recipe. I had to create age to make people older, oldest. Ha ha, I cried. For now, the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? These questions came into his mind. Actually, he started his work by squeezing up his brain को prepare किया by taking up his sleeves. He wanted to create such a chemical that made people older, oldest. And he started shouting. Now he thought, what was the oldest living thing in the world and what lives longer than anything else? A tree, Charlie said. Charlie ने बोला, a tree सबसे ज्यादा लंबा जिंदा रहता है. Right, you are, Charlie. But what kind of a tree? Not a Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, my boy. उसने कहा, ना तो तुम सही कह रहे हो चार्ली, लेकिन कौन सा पेड़ सबसे ज्यादा लंबा जीता है? ना तो डोगलास फर, ना ही ओक ट्री, ना ही सीडार ट्री. नहीं, my boy, it is a tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Miller Peak in Nevada, USA. He said now that this tree that lives longest is bristlecone pine, which grows upon the slopes of Miller Peak in Nevada, USA. Nevada is a place in USA, and it lives for more than 4,000 years. Okay, it was more than 4,000 years old. This is fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist you like. Dendrochronologist means a person who studies the age of the things. Dendrochronologist. Okay? So note down the meanings. Dendrochronologist. And so that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. So what happened? So the narrator, he jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items. He started moving from one place to another in great glass elevator. Elevator तो तुम जानते हो? It is great glass elevator. और he started moving from one place to another, jumped into a great glass elevator and rushed all over the world. पूरी दुनिया में घूम गया सिर्फ ये पता लगाने के लिए. Oldest living things were a pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. सबसे पहला आइटम क्या था? A pint of sap. Sap कहलाता है एक पिंच, छोटा सा, छोटी सी अमाउंट. bristlecone pine, 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine tree के उसका एक pint of sap चाहिए. The toenail clipping from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregorovich. एक 168-year-old Russian farmer, उसके toenail की clipping चाहिए. Who is 168 years old. Then an egg.
Ma'am, clippings means?
Huh?
What does clippings mean?
Clipping means you must be knowing, like pins, you can say. Fine. Clippings.
Yes, ma'am.
Clippings are the small pieces that trimmed from something. किसी चीज की, जैसे हम किसी न्यूज़पेपर को काट के कोई आइटम निकालते हैं, अपने यूजफुल कोई है आर्टिकल हमने लिखना है, उसको काट के निकाल लिया. That is called clipping. Got my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Clipping. Anything that is cut from a piece. So note down its meaning. Clipping. Clipping is a small piece trimmed from something. Okay, and all of you know that fir, oak, cedar, pine, these are all the names of trees. Okay.